Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Data Warehousing and Data Mining. Now, today's session is Major Task in Data Preprocessing. In this, data preprocessing and data preprocessing tasks are covered. So, what is data preprocessing? Before that, I'm telling you about that why data preprocessing is required and what exactly the data preprocessing is. I already discussed in my previous video. So, if anybody who is not watched till now that video, so please I recommend to first watch that video, then after watch this video so that you can better understand the task of data preprocessing. So rather this I just give you in brief about data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is basically a technique that is used to improve the quality of the data before applying mining, so that data will lead to high quality mining results. Data pre-processing techniques are greatly improve the overall quality of the mining patterns and over the time needed for actual mining. Okay. So these are the data pre-processing tasks. There are basically 4 tasks. First is data cleaning, second data integration, then third is data transformation, fourth is data reduction. Now let's discuss about first task. Before start, I am telling you that in this video I am just give an overview of the data mining task. Data pre-processing task. In the next videos we will discuss one by one each task. Okay, so data cleaning, the data can have many irrelevant and missing parts. So to handle this part, data cleaning should be done. Okay, and it involves handling of missing data, noisy data, because if we store data and that data comes from different, or you can say heterogeneous sources, then of course it is a noise. Okay, it's noisy data you can say. So you have to remove that noisy data. Okay, then after you can able to use that data. Now the second is data integration. Integration is what? Integration means merge, or you can say compile, or you can say collection. Okay, so data integration integrates data from multiple databases, data cubes or flat files. Some attributes representing a given concept may have different names in different databases, causing inconsistencies and redundancies. Now third one is data integration. In data transformation. Data transformation is what? Transformation is what? To transfer. Okay, if we are talking about data transfer, means you have to transfer the filtered data in that place where that data is required for the processing, right? So in data transformation, the data are transformed or consolidated into forms appropriate for mining. Data transformation operations such as normalization and aggregation are additional data pre-processing procedures that would contribute towards the success of the mining process. Now the fourth one is data reduction. Reduction is what? To reduce. Okay, so reduce as in sometimes suppose you peoples may ask कि ma'am this topic is too vast, can we short this? up to what extent we have to write if the question comes from this topic. So what I told you that you need to redact that data as per the marks. Okay, if it is a 5 marks question, if it is a first 10 marks question, you write just accordingly. So you just prepare about the long type questions. So accordingly you redact that data and complete your answer. Okay, so data reduction technique can be applied to obtain a reduced representation of the data set that is much smaller in volume yet closely maintains the integrity of the original data. Now here I wind up, and I will discuss these 4 tasks in my next videos. Okay, so before that I am giving you a question for practice. Define the task of data pre-processing. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayavati Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.